everyone. Tonight I'll be fixing air fryer sweet chili chicken wings. What all goes into the air fryer sweet chili chicken wings? 1 pound chicken wings, drumettes and flats separated. 1/2 cup flour. For the sauce, 1 cup sweet chili sauce, 1 lime juiced, 1 garlic clove grated. I'm just going to be using the already minced. 1/2 teaspoon grated ginger, 1/2 teaspoon red pepper flakes or sriracha, and I'll be using sriracha. So let's begin. So I have my 1 pound of chicken. I put them in a bowl. I had separated them into the drumettes and the flats, patted them dry, and put them in there. So next you want to take your 1/2 cup flour and toss them until they're evenly coated. And those look pretty good. So next take your air fryer basket and spray it with olive oil. I don't have a bottle that sprays, it just does a stream. So I'm going to use just olive oil and I'm going to spread it on with a basting brush. That way it'll be evenly on there and it will be oiled. Okay, that looks pretty good. Next, take your floured chicken pieces, shake off the excess flour, lay them in the basket in a single layer. You may have to do more than one batch. You don't want to overcrowd them. You want the air to get all the way through so they can get nice and crispy. And I will have to do 2 batches. So put your basket in your air fryer, 400 for 8 minutes, then we'll flip them over. So here it is after 8 minutes. We'll flip them over. And cook them another 8 minutes. While we are doing the last 8-minute cooking, we'll make the sauce. So take a large bowl and pour in the rest of the ingredients. And the loud noise is my air fryer cooking the wings. 1 cup of the sweet chili sauce, the 1 lime that was juiced, 1 garlic clove grated, 1/2 teaspoon of grated ginger, and the 1/2 teaspoon of red pepper flakes or sriracha, and I'm using sriracha, and whisk that until thoroughly combined. So after 8 minutes, the chicken is coming out. We'll put it directly into the sauce and totally coat that. And after it's coated, it goes back into the air fryer basket. So put your sweet chili chicken wings back into the air fryer. 400 for 2 minutes. So here's the sweet chili chicken wings. You can serve them right away. You can serve them with cilantro or topped with green onion, and I don't have either, so ours are going to be plain. I have 1 more batch to do, and so I'll see you after I get done with that one. So here is the air fryer sweet chili chicken wings. And rounding out the meal is long grain wild rice. Let's see what Dave thinks.
Oh, what am I testing?
Air fryer sweet chili chicken wings.
Okay. They don't have any Brazilian lemonade juice on them, do they?
I'm not going to tell you.
If anybody doesn't know what that's in reference to, check it out in the last video. These are good.
Recipe deals for easy meals. Please like, subscribe, and share. This is Cooking with Sherry. Until we meet again.